Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the chapter The Special Prize. In this chapter we are going to study about a boy named Tapan. Means he always used to do the things for the betterment of other but always got punishment because others did not understand that what he was trying to do. It's the same way when the headmaster of his school saw in the starting that he was a mischievous boy. So he always used to get punishment, but at last, as far as the headmaster realized that this boy is not that way bad as he was thinking earlier. Instead of that, he is kind and innocent boy. And this special and interesting story is written by Virendra Nath Datta. Now we are going to study about this chapter. What a naughty boy! He deserves to be thrashed. I have been also received reports of his getting into fights with other boys. Send for him, Mohan. Hey Mohan. The headmaster shouted for the chowkidar. Mohan guessed from the growl of the voice that headmaster was very angry. He rushed in and asked apprehensively, "Yes, sir." So story starts from the headmaster room. He is sitting in his room, and he was calling for Mohan, who is chowkidar of headmaster in the school, and he is means in a very angry, and he is by the voice of the tone only is showing that headmaster is angry, and he is asking for Tapan. Hurry and get Tapan class 5th headmaster order. So as Mohan the chowkidar enter in the room, so headmaster ordered go and get the Tapan from class 5th. Let me introduce the reader to the boy named Tapan. He is second son of Ratan and clerk of Padumani village. So the Tapan, who is the hero of this story, he was the second son of Ratan. Means his father is a clerk of Padumani village. Although rather he is strong, somewhat dark, and his bright eyes. He is quite good at his studies, both at home and outside. There is no end of his prank. He is always getting into trouble, but it is must of the admitted that he is never to be the first to pick the quarrel. But if anybody offend him, he gives in the same he gets. He is the leader of his group age, is always ready to take up and cuddles of his behalf. He is popular and respected by his companion. After completing the primary school at the village Tapan and gone for a year to high school 15 miles and staying with his uncle. Now he is back home staying in Jananpet High School a mile and half. So here Tapan is a strong boy. His complexion is dark and he has a bright eyes. Okay, he is good at studies, but means he used to play the prank, means both outside and inside of the house, means there is no limit of his prank, means you can say innocent prank. And he never is the boy who always put the fight first, but if anyone is offended him, anyone used to fight with him, so he never leave that boy, never leave that person, and he is the leader. Yes, and Tapan is a leader of his group, means his friend respect him as well as they listen to him because he is a good leader, and always you can say if he always understand for others, he always do the things for others. Okay, few years ago he just left this Padumani village and just went out for doing his study, but after few years he came back to his home and studying in his village in the school Jananpet High School. It is his school name, Jananpet High School, which is a mile and a half from his village. He has been in Jananpet for a month already. They are complaint against it, as there is only 1 month has been passed that he has been admitted in the school and there are many complaints against Tapan. Haren. The latest complaint was done by Haren, the shopkeeper of Padumani village, had complained to the headmaster that Tapan and a number of other boys had thrown stone at his shop. And previous evening, Tapan had been in the ringleader. He came with the chowkidar and glancing timidly Headmaster stood with his hand lower, swinging his cane, and headmaster demanded Tapan, "You are Tapan, are you?" So here the Haren, who is a shopkeeper of Padumani village, he is a provision store master. Okay, he has complained against Tapan that last evening, previous evening, Tapan and his friends thrown stone at his shop, and Tapan, as I already told you, the leader of his team. So he was the man who should be punished. So in the same time, Tapan with the Chaukidar Mohan came in the room of headmaster. He was very timid, and he means by seeing the headmaster, he understood that something is going to happen now, and he is means down with shame, and he is looking continuously on the ground. So headmaster, as he entered, the headmaster asks, "Are you Tapan? Are you?" "Yes sir," Tapan replied politely. So in the same way, Tapan, in a very respectful way, he replied, "Yes sir, this is Tapan." "Do you know this gentleman?" the headmaster asked, pointing at the shopkeeper. So as shopkeeper was also there in the room of headmaster, so headmaster asked, "Do you know this boy? Do you know this person who is standing beside me?" "Yes sir, he lives in our village." "Well, it is true, last evening you in his shop threw a stone at his shop too." So Tapan replied, "Yes, I know, he is a village. He also lives in the village, and he is provision store master." So the headmaster asked, "Have you thrown a stone at his shop last evening?" "Yes sir, this is true. I threw a stone at his shop with Ratan and others." So Tapan admitted his mistake. "Yes, I have thrown the stone at his shop with my friends." "Why did you do that, you rascal? Answer me," the headmaster thundered. As headmaster listened this confession of Tapan, so headmaster, just you can say filled with anger, he just scolded Tapan and asked me, "Why did you do that, you fool? Sir, this man cheats, charges high prices and gives less. He gives good in the very kind of paper that is paddle at the bottom. The day before yesterday, we bought a kilo of dal from him. When we weighted the content at home, it turned only 800 grams. So here is the reason that why Tapan threw a stone at the shop of Haren. So he said that this person is a cheater. He used to charge the prices higher and gives the less, as he gives the kind of paper that already filled with inside and from the bottom, and he's just telling that yesterday I just bought from his shop a kilo dal, but as we just reached home, we weighted that gram again at my home, so it just turned out only 800 gram. Everyone in the village knows about him. I asked him about yesterday. He abused me and chased me out of shop. That is why the other boy," so he is saying, yes, he is a cheater, and everyone in the village knows about him and knows about his dishonesty. That's why I threw a stone, because when I went his shop about telling this, he just thrown me out from his shop, and his behavior was completely unacceptable. That's why with my friends I threw stone at his shop. In this way, Tapan complained about Haren, who is the owner of the provision store.